So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to import products from any site to Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is go to your admin panel on shopify.com and you can get there just by logging in Shopify. After that, you can see on the left side orders, products, customers, marketing, discounts, content, analytics, and markets. Go to your product. From this page, you can see some of the products you have right here. So I've added a gift card, I have stuff, I've named it that, and you can see your whole inventory and your products listed right there. Now, in order to add products from any site, you'll just first need to package them in a CSV file. So you want to uh, let's say do a product from some other site that you've set up like eBay or something like that, you will need to go to that product and click on export and then export it as information into a CSV file. And after that, you can just go ahead and click this import button. And once you click on import, you can see the option, how do you want to import your product? Upload a Shopify formatted CSV file. So import a CSV file, that's what I was just talking about. So you can see it will fit Shopify's templates. You don't have to set it up that much. Or you can import data from another platform, a copy of your data from another platform using one of our recommended apps. You can even then add an app which will help you to import products so you don't have to do it manually. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.